STEM group came in and we paired them with our advanced CNC machining and programming class, which is a summer class. The students over there, they're graduates of our 2-year precision machining degree. They wanted to go deeper into CNC, higher level programming, 4th axis on the lathe, 5th axis, line tooling things. And so that was a good group to pair this group with. And our students over there, they're getting a second associate degree, which is a nice thing. Looking forward for you guys. They've met all their gen ed requirements in the first 2 years. They come back for 1 summer, accelerated program, nothing but CNC, 32 hours a week. No more gen ed. They're going to come out with a second associate degree. So this group came in, got to work, got paired up with the advanced students, got to do some programming, some help machining on the CNCs. I see they've made the speed wrench. Looks like you guys even powdered them. Nice little project we use on the devices on the machines. Anybody that knows any more than me like to say how your week went? Anybody?
Well, here's I'm the only one with the name tag. First thing we did was get one of these lasered out on the laser cutter inside of the CNC shop. This here is simply just an aluminum plate with some plastic in the middle. The aluminum went, the laser cut the aluminum. Got name, logo, even precision machining. This here, really simple compared to this sucker. Really simple. Because these two started out as just an aluminum block in a round aluminum stock. With mill and lathe. Mill cut the purple part out. Lathe cut, well, the handle knob out. Later on in the process, after we finished milling, we went and powder coated. Simply just gave it some electricity and sprayed on powder, melted it, just boom, plastic coat.
Simple enough, right?
Yeah, simple enough. Like really, CNC machining, well, machining in general, it's a lot of complex things which go together to make such a simple